Monogram's Rough Rider series always promised dependable frontier justice. But Below the Border, 1942, adds a welcome twist. A cross-border mystery, a kidnapped American, and a criminal ring hiding behind the facade of a respectable ranch. With Buck Jones, Tim McCoy, and Raymond Hatton once again riding tall, this entry blends action, deception, and camaraderie into a brisk, satisfying Western. The story begins with the Rough Riders Buck Roberts, Jones, Tim McCoy, and Sandy Hopkins, Hatton heading into Mexico to investigate the disappearance of an American citizen. Their search leads them to a ranch run by Patricia Alvarez, Linda Brent, whose charm and poise mask a dangerous secret. The ranch is being used as a front for a smuggling and kidnapping operation. As the riders dig deeper, they uncover a network of criminals who rely on forged documents, hidden rooms, and cross-border routes to evade the law. The tension builds as Buck goes undercover. Tim pieces together the clues, and Sandy provides the comic grit that keeps the trio grounded. The final showdown brings the riders face-to-face with the gang's ringleader, culminating in a fast-paced rescue and a satisfying dose of frontier justice. Below the Border stands out in the Rough Riders lineup for its international flavor. While still very much a Monogram production shot quickly, economically, and with familiar sets, the film uses its Mexican setting to add color and intrigue. Released in May 1942, Below the Border arrived during a period when Hollywood frequently used cross-border plots to add exotic flair to low-budget productions. The Rough Riders series was one of Monogram's most reliable wartime staples, offering audiences a comforting blend of heroism, humor, and moral clarity. This film also sits in the poignant final chapter of Buck Jones' career, as he would tragically pass away later that year. His late-period performances carry a quiet gravitas that fans still cherish. Below the Border is a lively, engaging entry in the Rough Riders saga full of undercover intrigue, frontier justice, and the steady presence of three seasoned Western stars. It may be modest in scale, but its heart, pacing, and character chemistry make it a rewarding watch for fans of classic B-Western storytelling. A compact adventure with a satisfying punch, it remains a memorable stop on the trail of early 1940s cowboy cinema. If you enjoy this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and explore more classic film spotlights on the Storyteller's Compass.